Working on creative writing or songwriting and have an MWI project file? This is a project from MasterWriter, the songwriting and creative writing software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these creative writing projects. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier MWI file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. MWI files are project files used by MasterWriter creative writing and songwriting software, popular among songwriters, poets, and authors. They contain complete writing projects including lyrics, song structures, rhyme references, chord progressions, and notes, leveraging MasterWriter's comprehensive creative writing tools for music and lyrical composition. MWI project files use a structured format storing creative writing content, including text passages, lyric structures, verse and chorus markers, rhyme dictionary references, and chord notation. The format includes project metadata, version information, and links to MasterWriter's reference databases used during creative composition sessions. MasterWriter is the standard set by MasterWriter for accessing the MWI format. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can show simple previews, but detailed editing must be done in supported document tools. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your MWI file and select Open With. If MasterWriter is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If your MWI file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If you're still with me, that MWI file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, opening in MasterWriter. Launch MasterWriter and use File then Open to load the MWI project. The software restores the complete creative writing project with all sections, lyrics, chord progressions, and notes intact. Continue your songwriting or creative writing work using MasterWriter's specialized tools for rhyming pop culture references and song structure. Next, exporting to standard formats. Use MasterWriter's export functions to save projects in standard formats like PDF Word document or plain text. Exported files enable sharing with collaborators who don't have MasterWriter and provide format flexibility for publishing or further editing in mainstream word processors. This step preserves work for distribution and collaboration. Finally, cloud sync across devices. MasterWriter offers cloud synchronization, enabling MWI projects to sync between Mac PC and mobile devices. Sign in to your MasterWriter account on each device to access projects everywhere. This setup supports creative work continuity, whether you're at the home studio or capturing inspiration on the go. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.